So we're all ready to go in our project now. As I said there, we've got our real-time database, and this is going to be the link that we're going to use in Python to connect to this online database, this file up here, which we'll see shortly. But let's just take stock now, and we have everything ready to go. We have our microbit code, which we have downloaded to our microbit, and that's sending the temperatures. And I'm just after coming back in, checking this project. So let's run this now and make sure that it's running okay. And as you can see here now, COM port 5 is not working correctly. So you need to bring up your command prompt. So this is just taking stock here and making sure we've everything ready to go in the correct place. So it's COM7 it's actually connected into in the virtual port that's created for it. So COM7, if I run that again now, and you can see the temperatures are now coming through there, 19, 19, and so a bit cooler in this room than I'm in here now. Okay, so that's working correctly, and is that now, yeah, so that's our code all ready to go. We've got our Firebase ready to start receiving data. In the next video, let's see how we do this, how we create our connections and send our data to Firebase.